Have you ever stood in a stunning foyer, hit record, and suddenly felt like your brain turned into a dial-up modem? You're not alone. Most agents don't struggle with the filming part. It's the talking that feels like climbing Everest in flip-flops. Today I'm giving you 5 foolproof things to say so you never run out of words again. Your tours are about to sound like a Hollywood production. And hey, if you want a shortcut, you can head over to my website right now and grab my free real estate agent house video script cheat sheet. It makes this whole process basically effortless. Point number 1, the opening. Think of this like the first handshake. It sets the entire mood for the journey. Instead of walking in like a ghost, state exactly where you are and what's about to happen. It grounds the viewer instantly. Say, "Welcome to this sun-drenched 4-bedroom masterpiece here in Tampa. I'm taking you on a full VIP tour." You're telling them the location and the itinerary. It's professional, it's clear, and it keeps them from clicking away. Treat the camera like a guest you're inviting over for dinner. You wouldn't just stare at them, you'd welcome them in. Now that they're in the door, let's talk about the heart of the home. This is where the magic happens. Point 2, call out the key features. But don't just point, describe them like they're the stars of a Broadway show. In the kitchen, mention those sprawling granite countertops that could host a Thanksgiving feast and the stainless appliances. Mention the cabinet space. Is it plenty? No, it's abundant. It's a chef's dream waiting for its first 5-course meal. When you hit the living room, talk about that natural light. It doesn't just enter the room, it cascades in, making it airy. You're the narrator of their future. You're helping them notice the details that make this house a premium piece of real estate. Texture matters. The cold touch of marble, the warmth of oak, describe the sensory experience of the space. Point 3, connect features to lifestyle. This is where most agents drop the ball, and it's actually the most important part. A house is just bricks and mortar until you describe the life inside. Don't sell a dining room, sell the holiday memories. By the way, if you're wondering exactly which words to use for this, just go to my website and download my free real estate house video script cheat sheet. It'll have you sounding like a pro in no time. In the master suite, don't just say it's big, say it's your private sanctuary where the stress of the day just melts away. In the backyard, imagine Saturday afternoons. The smell of the grill, the kids playing, it's the Florida lifestyle personified. People buy with emotion and justify with logic. When they can feel the home through your words, you've already won. Think of the morning coffee on the porch. Describe the quiet, describe the peace. That is what they are actually buying. Because let's be honest, they aren't just buying a kitchen, they're buying the idea that they'll actually start cooking healthy meals. Point 4, highlight location and community. A house is a stage, but the neighborhood is the entire theater. You aren't just selling 4 walls, you're selling proximity to the best lattes in town and the shortest commute to work. Mention the growth. This area is exploding with new development. Or, you're in an established, quiet pocket of Wesley Chapel. Talk about the minutes. Minutes from the highway, minutes from the grocery store. Convenience is a massive selling point. By selling the area, you're answering the question, what is my life going to look like outside of these 4 walls? Is there a local park, a hidden gem bakery? These are the Easter eggs that make your video stand out from the boring ones. Point 5, close with a call to action. Never, and I mean never, let your video just fade into awkward silence. Ending without a CTA is like going on a great date and then just walking away without saying goodnight. It's confusing. Tell them exactly what to do. If you want a private tour, reach out or click the link below for more details on this home. Be direct. People like being guided. If they like the house, they need to know the next step to making it theirs. So remember, opening, features, lifestyle, location, and that all-important call to action. That is your 5-step formula. The more you do it, the more natural it becomes. Soon you'll be narrating these in your sleep, though your spouse might mind. Now I promised you a secret weapon. If you want to absolutely crush your competition and sound like a pro every single time, go to my website now and grab my free real estate agent house video script cheat sheet. It goes way deeper than this video, and it will have you crushing the competition. Grab it at the link below. It's the ultimate guide to never being at a loss for words again. Go to my website, get your copy, and start crushing those tours. See ya.